Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another ultrasonic clear, and as you see, we did set it up already. We had already some water, and we put in some dish soap. You can also use like specifically made cleanse. Throw that in there. We are gonna test this one here today on our rings. I grabbed two, three of them. They all go in here. Um, you could also put your glasses, so why not give that a try? We're gonna throw them in there as well, and then we will see how that actually performs. So everything is in there, then you're gonna put on the lid, and then there's only one option here. So you hit on, and then the magic is starting, and as you see, it is slowly but truly getting going. And yep, we skipped to the end. I didn't want you to listen to it or watching it, and this is now the results. So let's actually see what's happening. You see the water is definitely a little dirtier than before, and I see definitely some little pieces flying around there, so it definitely took care of something. And yeah, I mean, it looks decent to me, so I think we can call it a day. Until then, bye bye.